Repurposing old bicycle parts into mid-century modern home accents is a compelling fusion of history, sustainability, and refined design, where discarded mechanical elements are reimagined as elegant decor that bridges industrial heritage and timeless interior style. Vintage bicycles carry within them a quiet poetry of motion, craftsmanship, and everyday life. And when their gears, frames, spokes, and handlebars are rescued from neglect, they offer far more than scrap metal. They become sculptural components rich with character and narrative. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. The transformation begins with a shift in perspective, seeing these parts not as broken machinery, but as forms shaped by intention and balance, qualities that align beautifully with mid-century modern aesthetics. The clean lines, organic curves, and functional honesty of mid-century design naturally echo the geometry found in bicycle components, making this marriage of material and style feel both intuitive and inspired. The appeal of using bicycle parts lies in their inherent design intelligence. Every curve of a handlebar, every spoke radiating from a hub, and every toothed sprocket was engineered for strength, efficiency, and harmony. When removed from their original context and thoughtfully reimagined, these forms take on a new identity while retaining their mechanical soul. A curved handlebar, once shaped to guide motion and balance, can be transformed into a lampstand that feels fluid and sculptural, its gentle arc casting light upward with quiet confidence. The industrial steel or chrome finish contrasts beautifully with warm wood bases or soft fabric shades, creating a visual dialogue between machine and home that feels distinctly mid-century in spirit. This approach honors the original craftsmanship while allowing the piece to evolve into something entirely new and domestic. Sprockets and chainrings, often overlooked as purely functional components, become especially powerful when repurposed into wall clocks or decorative focal points. Their circular symmetry and rhythmic teeth naturally draw the eye, making them ideal for time-inspired decor. When mounted thoughtfully, perhaps paired with minimalist clock hands and a subdued finish, these elements transform into sophisticated wall accents that celebrate both time and transformation. The symbolism is subtle but profound. Objects once driven by motion now mark the passage of time within a living space, reminding viewers of journeys taken and the beauty of reuse. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. In a mid-century modern interior, where form follows function and ornamentation is restrained, such pieces feel intentional rather than decorative excess. Spokes and rims offer another layer of creative possibility, their delicate linearity lending itself to light, airy compositions. When arranged into wall art, light fixtures, or sculptural accents, spokes create patterns that play with shadow and space, echoing the starburst motifs and geometric experimentation common in mid-century design. Their slender profiles keep the decor visually light, ensuring that even industrial materials feel refined and balanced. By combining these metallic elements with natural textures like wood, leather, or linen, makers soften the industrial edge, creating pieces that feel inviting rather than austere. This balance is at the heart of mid-century modern design, where warmth and simplicity coexist with innovation. The process of transforming bicycle parts into home accents is as much about intention as it is about technique. Each piece requires careful consideration, not only of how it will function, but of how it will live within a space. Finishes are chosen to enhance rather than disguise the material's history, whether through gentle polishing that reveals aged patina or matte coatings that unify disparate components into a cohesive whole. Imperfections are often preserved as subtle markers of authenticity, small scratches, or wear patterns that speak to years of use and movement. These details add depth and emotional resonance, ensuring that the final piece feels lived in and meaningful rather than mass-produced. Sustainability is central to this practice, extending beyond environmental benefits into cultural and emotional realms. By repurposing old bicycle parts, makers reduce waste and lessen the demand for newly manufactured materials, aligning with a growing desire for responsible consumption. Yet the sustainability here is not merely practical, it is philosophical. These creations challenge the throwaway mentality that dominates modern life, offering instead a vision of continuity and respect for material. Each repurposed piece becomes a quiet statement, suggesting that beauty and value do not diminish with age, but often deepen when objects are allowed to evolve. Mid-century modern design, with its emphasis on longevity and thoughtful living, provides the perfect framework for this approach. The style emerged during a time of optimism and innovation, when designers sought to create functional beauty that could endure. By integrating repurposed bicycle parts into this aesthetic, makers extend that legacy, blending past ingenuity with contemporary environmental awareness. The result is decor that feels both nostalgic and forward-looking, rooted in history yet perfectly suited to modern interiors. These pieces do not shout for attention, but invite closer inspection, rewarding viewers with layers of meaning and craftsmanship. Emotionally, repurposed bicycle decor resonates because bicycles themselves are deeply human objects. They evoke memories of childhood freedom, daily commutes, long journeys, and quiet moments of solitude on the road. When parts of these machines are transformed into home accents, they carry those associations into the domestic sphere, enriching the space with subtle storytelling. A lamp made from a handlebar or a clock fashioned from a sprocket becomes more than decor. It becomes a conversation piece, a bridge between personal memory and shared experience. This emotional layer elevates the work, making it appealing not only to design enthusiasts, but to anyone seeking authenticity in their surroundings. From a creative and economic standpoint, repurposing bicycle parts offers significant potential. The materials are often accessible and affordable, while the uniqueness of each component ensures that no two finished pieces are ever identical. This individuality supports premium positioning in the market, as buyers increasingly value one-of-a-kind, story-rich decor over generic alternatives. The combination of industrial heritage, sustainable practice, and refined design appeals to a wide audience, from eco-conscious homeowners to collectors of distinctive interior pieces. Each creation embodies a narrative of transformation, adding intangible value that extends far beyond the physical object. Ultimately, transforming discarded bicycle parts into mid-century modern home accents is a celebration of form, function, and thoughtful reuse. It demonstrates how industrial remnants, when approached with care and creativity, can be elevated into sophisticated decor that honors both their origins and their new purpose. These pieces remind us that design is not solely about novelty, but about seeing potential where others see waste, about crafting beauty that respects the past while enriching the present. In doing so, they create homes that feel intentional, sustainable, and deeply human, spaces where every object has a story and every story adds meaning to daily life. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.